Helo, siwmai a chroeso I Uned 11 yn y cwrs SYLFAEN. And in this unit we're looking at using the verb mynd to go in the future tense. So it's using the short form of the verb. And to start with, os edrychwch chi ar dudalen 95, just a bit of a reminder, in the short form of the verb, for example, AC, I went, AC i'r dre, so that's the past tense. But the future tense, for me, is a felly, we'll just go through the drill that's ar dudalen 95. Iawn, felly ar ôl fi, ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. A fi i'r cinema yfory. A fi i'r theatr yfory. A fi i'r ganolfan hamdden yfory. A fi i'r archfarchnad yfory. And then you're given a sentence ar dudalen 95 to show the difference. Neithiwr is i'r gwely am 10 o'r gloch. Heno, a fi i'r gwely am 10 o'r gloch hefyd. Felly, AC, past tense, I went. A fi, future tense, I will go. And then we move on to the question using the second person, T. Felly, ble ad, where will you go? So, a fi, I will go. AD, you will go. Felly, ble ad yr wythnos nesaf, where will you go next week? Felly, we'll just do those two questions there. Felly, ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Ble ad yr wythnos nesaf? Ble ad yfory? And of course we can use any time scale there. Felly, ble ad ar ddydd Mawrth, ble ad yn mis Mehefin, ble ad y flwyddyn nesaf. Felly, you could use all those different time periods there. Then we move on to the chi, so the plural or the formal singular. Ble ewch chi. And again, there's just two sentences there, which we will just ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Ble ewch chi yr wythnos nesaf? Ble ewch chi yfory? Then underneath we have different places or things that you could do. So again, in the future, so a fi I Gaerdydd, I will go to Cardiff, so any place name you can use after that. Or you can go and do something. So we just practice the sentences there ar dudalen 95. A fi I Gaerdydd. A fi I Abertawe. A fi I Bontardawe. A fi I nofio. A fi I chwarae golf. A fi I siopa yn Abertawe. Now you could use a name of a shop there as well if you wish. So that's me, a fi, and it's you, ewch chi, ad. Then we move on to the third person, I've, and that can be used with a name. I've Sam, as in the book. I've Sarah. I've Bethan. I've Bob. So will go. So I've Sam. Sam will go. And this can also be used with the pronouns fe and he, him and her, of course. So we'll just practice a few of those ar dudalen 96, and then we'll extend as we go through. Felly, I've Sam i'r gwaith. I've Sam i'r dafarn. I've Sam I sgïo. Aeth Sam adre. Aeth Bethan i'r gwaith. Aeth Bethan i'r dafarn. Aeth Bethan i sgïo. Aeth Bethan adre. Aeth i'r gwaith. Aeth i sgïo. Aeth hi i'r dafarn. Aeth hi adre. Now, finally, in this unit, we move on to ni and nhw. The examples given in the book are dudalen 96 are in the negative. But basically, it's used in the same way as the others. And we'll see a few positive statements to start with. So, awn ni i'r gwaith, awn ni i'r dafarn. It just follows the same pattern. Felly, ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Awn ni i'r gwaith. Awn ni i'r dafarn. Awn ni i sgïo. Awn ni adre. And then we'll do the same for nhw. A nhw i'r gwaith. A nhw i'r dafarn. A nhw i sgïo. A nhw adre. And we'll just finish with pointing out the negative, as in the book 96. Awn ni ddim. So, as the same as in the past tense, we're using this ddim to signify the negative. So, a fi ddim. Ei di ddim. Ewch chi ddim. And the examples in the book there, ni and nhw. So we'll just ailadroddwch the ones in the book there. Felly, awn ni ddim adre ar ôl y dosbarth. Awn ni ddim i'r gwaith ar ôl y dosbarth. A nhw ddim i'r gwaith ar ôl y dosbarth. A nhw ddim i'r dafarn ar ôl y dosbarth. So that's the unit done, more or less. Felly, os edrychwch chi tudalen 100 a'r help llaw ar y gwaelod, help llaw, that shows you the verb mynd yn y dyfodol. Pob hwyl am y tro.